Now we have exercise 6a, question number 3. In this we are given point A having two coordinates -3 and -7, x coordinate and y coordinate, and B point, which is x coordinate is 4 and y coordinate is not given. They have replaced y coordinate with the alphabet P, and they have given a slope of the lines of these 2 points is m upon 3 upon 5. So we do not need to be so worried about this question. What we have to do is simply just write the formula of gradient, which is m of AB is equals to y of B minus y of A, in the denominator x of B minus x of A. Simply what you have to do, just replace the alphabets with the given value in the question. I have given YB as P, so I will write P here. Then I have YA. YA is -7, so it will becomes positive because minus of formula and minus of the given sign, it will become positive. In the denominator I have XB, which is 4, and in the denominator minus of formula and x coordinate of A, which is -3, so it becomes +3. And instead of gradient I will write the given value 3 upon 5. So 3 upon 5, it will equals to, this gradient is equal to this given value. This is P plus 7 and 4 plus 3. Now this 4 plus 3 can solve. It can be P plus 7. 4 plus 3 gives you 7. Now they can cross multiply. 3 upon 5 is equals to P plus 7 upon 7. I have to multiply this 7 with this 3, this 5 with this 2 terms. 7 multiplied by 3. This is 5 multiplied by P plus 7. 7 into 3 gives you 21. 5 into P gives you 5P plus 5 sevens are 35. Shift this over there. Transpose is 21 minus 35 is equals to 5P. 21 minus 35, 9 and 5 gives you 14, but minus 14 because 35 is the bigger value. This is minus 14 is equals to 5P. Now this 5 is doing multiply with the P, it will be transpose over there, so it will be divide. So minus 14 is divided by 5. This is the value of P which is required in the question. P is equals to minus 14 upon P. They ask to find the y coordinate of point B, which is minus 14 upon 5. Thank you.